full spine adjustment. So I'm gonna adjust his neck. Okay, lean back. Okay. So very limited on the right, and so she has about C7 on the right and C2 on the left. So this is Fast and Furious. He was the driver of the motorcycle Harley Davidson when vehicle rear-ended right on the red light. What's your favorite game, Sean?
Oh, Black Ops.
Black Ops. He's the gamer, big gamer. So Black Ops is the game. So I'm gonna adjust him. So just relax. Big braids. Ooh, aliens. Okay, relax. So he's got C6 on the left. Nice and clean, please. Okay, and the right side is not moving at all. There is limited rotation to the right as well. So everything is on the right. I'm gonna set up at T1. That's where the problem. I wanna let her go. She's got a lot of neck pain, so there's no range of motion on the left side. Around C6 level, so I'm gonna adjust it. Nice. Okay, I will also over here a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna. The patient has a fusion at C7 T1. C5 down to the C7, and there's no range of motion on the left side whatsoever. So if you look, and then if it's left treated, you have what, numbness and tingling sensation on your arm, headaches as well.
Yeah, and migraines.
So we're going to do a Gonstead adjustment seated position. I'm setting up at T1 at the base, and I'm gonna set this up, relax. There we go. Ooh. You also have C3. Okay. There we go. That's good. Okay. Back.
Oh my god.
Ooh. There's no range of motion here on the left.
Yeah, I don't feel
Relax. Okay, stand on your feet now. Let me know how it feels.